Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the niche and keywords so every action attracts the right readers. Once the niche is fixed, install Analytics and Search Console to measure traffic and spot issues. Then publish 3-pillar posts that showcase authority and set a realistic schedule, 1 post per week, to signal consistency. Make sure to optimize titles and meta descriptions for clicks and add internal links from new posts to those pillars. This creates a traffic foundation you can grow. Once your foundation exists, focus on on-page optimization and promotion. You should refine headings, alt text, and internal linking to improve rankings and keep keyword density natural. Next, promote on 3 channels: social platforms, an email list, and targeted communities where your readers hang out. Make repurposing a habit. Turn top posts into short videos or carousel images to capture attention elsewhere. Keep measuring engagement in Analytics and iterate. Small changes to titles, thumbnails, or distribution timing often produce measurable lift. To finish the growth loop, scale through guest posting, collaborations, and steady outreach so referral and organic links increase. Monitor both short-term 7-day spikes and 90-day trends to understand momentum, and run a/B tests on titles and calls to action to lift click-through rates. If traffic drops, troubleshoot quickly. Check Search Console for manual actions, test site speed and mobile behavior, and review recent content edits. Often a plugin or headline change causes regressions. Then roll back or fix and retest to recover traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.